Each summer for the past 10 to 15 years, we've been going to Kodiak Island to go fishing. And here are some scenes from our 2017 Kodiak Island adventure. Yes, we went fishing off Kodiak Island and also a tour of the island on our days when we couldn't go fishing. Hope you enjoy the video, and here are some scenes from Kodiak Island, Alaska in 2017.
Jim, pull them in just like a pork. All right.
Walk to your side over there.
No, I found you got a hook him on.
Yeah, here he is.
Got one.
Okay, back up. Walk backwards a little. Rod tip up. Rod tip up. Big silver.
Wow, that's a nice fish, Jim. That's yeah.
Silver.
Silver. Oh, look at that. That's a nice fish. I want to get his picture.
Picked up.
That's it.
That's a nice catch.
That's right.
See how tight their hide is? It's tight, the hide.
He don't want that little one, that little bull. He keeps clawing. He don't want no parts of him.
Next time we saw a couple, a few here and there.
Yep.
Now they'll put stuff over here.
Boy, look, he's going right near her. He turns around. The little bastard's hanging right in there, though. So damn high. We've been in the 85s and 90s for 2 months. 2 months. Yeah. When I left home, air was going to be 85 that day. And rain.
James, thank you for breakfast.
Oh, you were certainly welcome. James, thank you for my breakfast. Oh, you're certainly welcome. You can find me a breakfast anytime.
What's that?
There's that eagle over there.